Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, now I am starting essay revision children. First examination of essay we have already done. This is the second examination revision. Okay children, now today I am going to explain you block 10 and 12. Okay, sentences and fragments, naming and telling parts, words with OA, OE and OW, words with IE and IGH. Text to self-connection, connections, questions about places, questions about people, words with AR. Children, all of you take out your classwork book. Yes children, take out your English classwork book. Write down essay revision, block 10 and 12. Okay, first bit, circle the naming part and underline the telling part in each sentence. Children, here some sentences are given. We have to circle the naming part and then we have to underline the telling part. As you all know, the starting of the sentence is naming part children and the rest of the sentence is telling part. Okay, so what we have to do here, he is a nice boy. We play in the garden. My favorite place is school. So what you have to do, naming part, you have to put a circle like this, he, and the rest is you have to underline. Okay, we, you have to put a circle and then remaining you have to, this is telling part, we have to underline. Okay, here also my is naming part. Okay, favorite place is school, this is telling part. Okay children, now fourth one, the big brown bear chased the little white cat. So here the big brown bear is the naming part. Okay, name is there, no? The rest of the sentence you have to underline, this is telling part. Chase the little cat. Who chased the little cat? This is telling part of the sentence. Okay, so the big brown bear. Okay children, you have to write this in your classwork book. Yes children, now second bit, use the given letters and make as many words as you can. Here children, some letters are given. You have to make the words. Already we did this bit children. GHINST. So HIT, hate, IS, is, NIT, NIT, like that you have to write as many words you can make. Okay children, here 2 lines I am leaving for that. Now come to the third bit children. Circle the common naming words and underline the proper naming words in the sentences. Children, here we have to circle the common naming words. You all know what are common naming words. Name of people, okay, animals, places, things are common naming words. And proper naming words means a proper name is given to you. There are so many places, but if they have named a place, name of the place is given. For example, Telangana is given. So Telangana is a proper naming word. Okay children, let us see the sentences. Pranav and Saket are friends. Now here friends is common naming word children. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to put a circle to friends. But here name of 2 specific children are given. Okay, Pranav and Saket. These are the proper naming words. Proper naming words, the first letter will be capital letter. Okay children. Then second one, there are trees and bushes in Pranav's garden. Okay, here common naming words are what? Trees and bushes. Okay, in whose garden? Here they are given a name. So Pranav's garden, we have to underline Pranav's garden. Okay children, now next one. I visited my friend Shweta in Mumbai yesterday. Okay, here friend is common naming word. Okay, you have to put a circle. Shweta is proper naming word. Okay, in Mumbai yesterday, Mumbai is also proper naming word. You have to underline this. Okay children, now my family lives in Rajasthan. Family is common naming word. Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan is proper naming word. You have to put underline. Okay, next one. India is next to Pakistan and China. Okay children, now here India is proper naming word. Pakistan is proper naming word. China is also proper naming word. Okay, in this sentence we don't have any common naming word. Here they have given specific name of the countries. Okay children. Children, now come to the next question. Read the paragraph and make 5 questions. Here children, paragraph is given. From your reader only I have taken this paragraph children. Let us see. Bharti is a girl from Andhra Pradesh. She is 6 years old. She speaks Telugu. During summer holidays, she goes to Kashmir to visit her friends Salma and Suleiman. So this is the paragraph children. Now what you have to do? You have to make 5 questions. Here I have already made questions for you. Any paragraph is given to you. You should know how to make the questions children. Okay, so first question is here, who is Bharti? Okay, here Bharti is a girl is given, no? Bharti is a girl. So you can make a question like this. Who is Bharti? And from Andhra Pradesh. She is from Andhra Pradesh. So you can write here. Second question you can make. Where is Bharti from? Okay children. Come on, now let's see the third question. What do Bharti speaks? In the paragraph they have given she speaks Telugu. So answer is given to you. You have to make the question. She is 6 years old. So how the question will be? How old is Bharti? Okay, next. Who are Bharti's friends? Okay children, like this you can make. And one more question also you can make. Where does Bharti goes in her summer holidays? Like this also you can make. Where does Bharti go for holidays also you can make. One more question. Okay children. Yes, now make sentences. Now first one is snake. I saw a long snake in the room. So snake word you have to underline. Okay children, learn how to make sentences with words children, given words. The monster. The monster looks scary. Third one, animals. Wild animals are dangerous. Okay children, these are the make sentences. Yes children, this is homework for you. Sort the AR words and fill in the table. Yes children, this you can see in your workbook children, page number 23, question number 1. Okay children, see, if you see in your workbook children, here this heading I have given, sort the AR words and fill in the table. So here all the AR words are given. What you have to do? You have to draw a table like this in your class workbook. Okay, AR words you have to write in one column. ARM words you have to write in another column. ART words you have to write in one column. ARK words you have to write in one column. Same, this is given here. You have to copy the same thing in your classwork book. Okay children? Children, now let us practice cursive writing in our cursive writing book. Okay children? So we have to practice today letter E. Capital cursive writing E will practice, and then small cursive E. Okay children? Yes children, you have to write in your cursive writing book only. I am writing and showing you here children. To make it easy, you can put a dot like this children. From this line, what you have to do children, take a curve like this, capital E. Okay children? Capital E. Put your pencil in the second line. Okay, take it up, take a curve, and then like this. capital E. Okay, this is capital E. Fine, children? Like this you have to do. Take a curve. Okay, capital E. Now next, small e. Small e, if you want to put a dot like this, you can put, children. Okay, so what you have to do, in between these two lines you have to write small e. Take your pencil, touch the line like this, E. Small e, how you will write? In same way, but you have to put a curve over here. Small e. Small e. Small e. Okay, I want all the second class children to watch the revision of at least the second examination. Okay, this revision is also very important. All the children must watch the videos, write the revision, learn the revision. Okay, you will be having one more examination. All second class children, do watch the YouTube videos, complete what work given to you. Okay children, thank you. Meet you in the next class.